Hello students. In heterocyclic compound, in this heterocyclic compound we learn about the pyridine N oxide, quinoline and isoquinoline. In pyridine N oxide their preparation and chemical reaction. Also quinoline preparation and its chemical reaction. Isoquinoline its preparation and its chemical reaction. First one, write down pyridine N oxide. This pyridine N oxide, it is obtained from when this is the structure of pyridine. It reacts with H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. It is an oxidizing agent. It gives pyridine N oxide. It is a structure of pyridine N oxide. Nitrogen having positive charge and oxygen having negative charge. It is a structure of pyridine. Look this. This is structure of pyridine. Pyridine react with hydrogen peroxide. It gives pyridine N oxide. Same kind of we also use in case of hydrogen peroxide by using peracetic acid. We also use as a reagent peracetic acid. CH3 COOOH. Peracetic acid having 3 oxygen. In this 1 oxygen attached to nitrogen and it form pyridine N oxide and byproduct acetic acid. There are these two methods used for preparation of pyridine in your syllabus. Now chemical reaction of pyridine N oxide. First one is nitration. Nitration means introduction of NO2 group. Introduction of NO2 group. Suppose pyridine N oxide which react with nitric acid, which react with concentrated nitric acid. This NO2 group attach at 4 position. This NO2 group attach at 4 position. Then product 4 nitropyridine N oxide to give 4 nitropyridine N oxide by using concentrated nitric acid. This is a nitration. In nitration, introduction of NO2 group at 4 position. It give product 4 nitropyridine N oxide. 4 nitropyridine N oxide. Next one, halogenation. Halogenation means addition of X2. तो हम first we use bromination, introduction of Br atom, Br group, bromination, addition of Br2. This is structure of quinoline, pyridine N oxide, which on bromination attack at third position. Attack at third position. Attack at third position. Attack at third position. Then again it react with zinc. Again it react with zinc. It gives 3 bromopyridine. It gives 3 bromopyridine. It gives 3 bromopyridine. It react with zinc. It gives 3 bromopyridine. It gives 3 bromopyridine. This oxygen attached with zinc, then zinc oxide as a byproduct. Then हम लोगों को जो प्रोडक्ट मिला वो क्या है, उसका नाम क्या है, 3 bromopyridine. This is a bromination of pyridine N oxide. It gives 3 bromopyridine. Now chlorination. In pyridine N oxide react with SOCl2, thionyl chloride. It gives 2 chloropyridine or it may be it give 4 chloropyridine as a product. तो हम लोगों को 2 पोजीशन पे भी 2 chloropyridine मिल सकता है, नहीं तो 4 chloropyridine मिल सकता है. There we get 2 product. It may be 2-chloropyridine or it may be 4-chloropyridine. In this, oxygen with SO, then release of SO2 gas and 2 times HCl. It is a byproduct. So when pyridine N oxide react with SOCl2, it gives 2-chloropyridine or 4-chloropyridine. We also use POCl3 as another reagent in case of SOCl2. Then we get same product 2-chloropyridine or 4-chloropyridine. नेक्स्ट अमीनेशन, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ NH2 ग्रुप. NH2 ऐड करने का हम लोगों को मिलना चाहिए इसमें एट 2 पोजिशन एंड 3 पोजिशन. तो pyridine N oxide react with liquid ammonia and NaNH2 sodamide. Then we get product 3-aminopyridine N oxide. We get product 3-aminopyridine N oxide and 2-aminopyridine N oxide. 2-aminopyridine N oxide. 2-aminopyridine N oxide at second position. 2-aminopyridine N oxide and 3-aminopyridine N oxide. It is amination of pyridine N oxide by using liquid ammonia and NaNH2. By using liquid ammonia and NaNH2 sodamide. Now students, reaction of quinoline. First one is nitration. Nitration means introduction of NO2 group. It is a structure of quinoline. It is a structure of quinoline which react with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. It gives two products. First one NO2 group attached at 5 position and another 50%. It gives 50% of at 5 position and 50% at 8 position. This is numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At 5 position attack of NO2 group. Its name 5-nitroquinoline. Another same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Introduction of NO2 group at 8 position. Then it give product 8-nitroquinoline. This is the nitration of quinoline. It gives product 5-nitroquinoline and 8-nitroquinoline by using concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. This is a nitration. तो नाइट्रेशन में आप लोगों को एक 5 पोजीशन मिलेगा और एक 8 पोजीशन. तो 50% 5 पोजीशन वाला मिलेगा 5-nitroquinoline and 50% 8-nitroquinoline. Now bromination of quinoline. By it react with Br2 in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. It gives 5 at 5 position attach of Br. The 5-bromoquinoline and others it gives also 8-bromoquinoline. तो आप लोगों का एक अटैच क्या रहेगा 5 पोजीशन पे Br अटैच होएगा और एक अटैच क्या रहेगा 8 पोजीशन पे. लेकिन हम लोग कब करोगे ब्रोमिनेशन. तब क्विनोलिन का रिएक्ट किसके साथ किया ब्रोमीन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ concentrated sulfuric acid. It gives 5-bromoquinoline and 8-bromoquinoline. Next amination, introduction of NH2 group. Introduction of NH2 group by using suitable reagent NaNH2 in liquid ammonia, sodamide. Suppose when by using NaNH2 and liquid ammonia at 66 minus 66 degrees Celsius, at minus 66 degrees Celsius, then we get product 2-amino NH2 group means 2-amino quinoline when it is amination by in presence of KMnO4. They give product 2-amino-quinoline, but by using 40 degrees Celsius in presence of minus 40 degrees Celsius by using KMnO4 catalyst, then we get the product 4, we get the product at 4 position, at 4 position attach of NH2 group. तो हम लोग को प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलेगा 4-amino-quinoline. This is a two step. Suppose if we get the we need the 2-amino-quinoline, then by using KMnO4 in presence of at minus 66 degrees Celsius, and by we need the product 4-amino-quinoline, then at condition minus 40 degrees Celsius in presence of KMnO4 and reagent NaNH2 sodamide and liquid ammonia. This is amination of quinoline. Amination of quinoline.